Hello, my dear children. After a long time, I am going to make a video for you all. I hope you will enjoy this video. We have completed so many chapters. So today we will discuss about the chapter lines and angles. My dear students, in this chapter, some tools are there, some technical points are there that is helpful to solve this chapter. So first of all, I would like to discuss that point as the point number 1. The most important thing is meaning of angle. So my dear children, the meaning of angle is if two lines are intersecting to each other at a point, then at the point of intersection, slope between the lines is known as angle. Or you may say in other words, if two lines are non-parallel, the definitely non-parallel lines will intersect. For supporting, I have drawn these two pair of lines AB and this is CD. Both are intersecting at point P. So these two lines again I am overwriting. Yes, these two lines are intersecting at point P. So as per the definition, this is known as angle. Slope between, I told slope between the lines. This is line number 1 and this is 2. So this is the slope and this point will be taken as the vertex and this these two are the arms of the angle, or you may say sides of the angle. Generally we are drawing the angle in this way, like A, B and C. So this is the slope because I took the this much part only, right? This is the common vertex, these two are the arms. Now the next point, how many kinds of the triangles are there? So I am going to write down the kinds of angles. First one is 0, second one is acute angle, third right angle, fourth straight line, straight angle, fifth reflex angle, sixth complete angle. And my dear, one point is missing here. There should be one more, that is obtuse. So numbering will be changed. We will take the new numbering. This one as the fourth, this is as fifth, sixth and seventh. So total number of angles are 7. This is exactly 0 degree, acute it between 0 to 90. This right angle is exactly 90 degree. Obtuse will be in between 0 to 180 degree. Straight line angle 180. Reflex angle always be more than 180 and till in between 180 degree to 360 degree. And complete degree is, complete angle means 360 degree. Actually all these angles are given in the class 6th. So that's why quickly I am trying to cover up and then we will discuss some more. So this is all about this angle, right? Meaning of the angle, kinds of angle, and then we will discuss the detail of this. So let's start the next segment, which is most important, and the actual chapter is started from that point, right? So I am going to start that point, that is known as adjacent angle. What is adjacent angle? Yes, as the name of this angle, adjacent means two angles are there in such a way both the angles are having a common arm and a common vertex, right? Look at this figure. This A, B, C, and this point is D. There are two angles. This is angle number 1 and this is angle number 2. In between this angle 1 and 2, BD is the common arm. Therefore, you may say angle 1 and angle 2 are the adjacent angles. Similarly, you may draw the figure this way: A, B, C, and this is D. So, angle 1 and angle 2, again angle 1 and 2 are the adjacent angle, right? In this one there is a special category. If angle 1 plus angle 2 equals to 90, and one more category, if angle 1 plus angle 2 equals to 180 degree, then this angle, if two adjacent angle are there in such a way their sum is equal to 90 degree, then the angles will be known as complementary adjacent angles, and this is supplementary adjacent angles. So remember these 2 points, these are special points. So we can conclude the definition of complementary angles. Actually, complementary angles are the angles whose sum is equals to 90, means if the different pair of the angles are given in such a way, sum of that two angles are coming as 90 degree, such pair of the angles are known as complementary. I am going to prepare a list for the understanding. Complementary angles and supplementary angles. So many pairs are there. You may take 30 degree and 60 degree, 40 degree and 50 degree, 27 degree and 63 degree, right? You may write so many, 41 degree and 49 degree. If you will find the sum of these two, that will come to 90, sum of these two 90, sum of these two 90, sum of, so many pairs can be written in such a way. If the sum is coming as 90 degree, then the pair of angles are complementary. And supplementary, 30, 150, sum is 180, maybe 80 and 100, maybe 110 and 70 degree, and so on. So we can write so many pairs. This is a kind of learning. So now this is all about the angles, adjacent angles, complementary and supplementary, right? Now we will come to the next step in the next video. This is the part 1 as an introductory part of this chapter, lines and angles. Thank you very much for the watching this video. Just I am looking forward to prepare the next one, and as soon as possible I will upload the part 2 of this chapter, lines and angles. Thank you.